In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, very good morning, guys, girls. The new day of the week. It's Monday today, and we are here once again at the platform of Genius Institute Lahore for language learning. Here are some students who are doing IELTS, PDE, Duolingo, and we are teaching language course free of cost to those students who are doing these courses. And but the students who would like to learn language especially, they have to come here. It's exclusive class for those students, for those professionals as well, because we read with professional and students collectively. It's the need for everybody, even the housewives, the children, everybody needs to groom the language to combat the future challenges. And the future challenges belong to the communication to a great extent. That's why we have to understand the language, we have to learn it, and we should be capable of communicating at every platform or at any platform where it is important to communicate in English. English is an international language. It's a lingua franca. It's the language which is the language of the world, not only one country. There are some English speaking countries, but they are dominating ones. They have conquered the world. Apart from their problems which we are facing today, but still we think that they have made tremendous progress. And if we are today, our global village, it's dedicated to the advanced countries of the world because they have launched certain, certain progressive tools and mechanisms which operate the world today. So, my dear friends, today we are going to have certain, practice of some professional sentences, business-oriented sentences. There are 50 sentences altogether. And what are the topics, please?
Workplace etiquette.
Number one is workplace etiquette.
Number two, project management.
Project management.
Number three, customer services.
Customer services.
Number four, negotiation and networking.
Negotiation and networking.
Number five, leadership and motivation.
Leadership and motivation. These are the five different chapters or units, and under every chapter there are 10 sentences. So there are 5 chapters. Of course, there are 50 sentences altogether. We're going to practice it, and I hope that your participation will make it even more significant. The students of Genius Institute Lahore, a morning spoken English class. A bit of clapping for everybody here in the class, please. So, dear friends, it's your turn now. You will give me the English of the Urdu sentences which I would speak. The first one is about workplace etiquette. This is called etiquette. E-T-I-Q-U-E-T-T-E, etiquette. It's not etiquettes. बहुत सारे words बहुत सारे लोग इसको गलत pronounce करते हैं. So it's etiquette means mannerism. So my first sentence is हर किसी की राय का एहतराम जरूरी है.
It's essential to respect everyone's opinions.
शाबाश. It's essential to respect everyone's opinions. आइए अपनी बातचीत में पेशेवराना लहजा बरकरार रखें.
Let's maintain a professional tone in our discussions.
Professional tone in our discussion. शाबाश. वक्त की पाबंदी आपकी काम से वाबस्तगी जाहिर करती है.
Punctuality reflects your commitment to work.
Punctuality, wow, reflects your commitment to work. Great. बराह करम हसास डेटा को संभालते वक्त राजदारी को यकीनी बनाएं.
Please ensure confidently when handling
Confidentiality. Yes.
confidentiality when handling sensitive data.
Please ensure confidentiality when handling sensitive data. Fantastic. तामीरी तनकीद कारकर्दगी को बेहतर बनाने में मदद देती है.
constructive criticism in help improving performance.
Constructive criticism helps in improving performance. शाबाश. तामीरी तनकीद. Constructive criticism. आइए तवज्जो हटाने वाली चीजों से बचें और अपने काम पर तवज्जो मरकूज रखें.
Let's avoid distractions and stay focused on our tasks.
शाबाश. लेट्स अवॉइड डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. आजकल डिस्ट्रैक्शंस बहुत ज्यादा है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, मोबाइल फोन इट्स द बिगेस्ट डिस्ट्रैक्शन. जब भी नोटिफिकेशन होता है टररम, आप फौरन मुतवज्जो होते हैं उससे आने. सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन. लेट्स अवॉइड डिस्ट्रैक्शंस एंड स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन आवर टास्क्स. ब्रिलियंट. The boys now, कंपनी के ज़ाब्ते अखलाक पर अमल करना ज़रूरी है.
It's important to follow the company's code of conduct.
Code of conduct, ज़ाब्ता अखलाक. It's important to follow the company's code of conduct. शाबाश. हमेशा टीम की कोशिशों पर शुक्रिया अदा करें.
Always express gratitude for team efforts.
Always express gratitude for team efforts. Great. साथियों के साथ मुआमलात करते वक्त हमदर्दी का मुजाहरा करें.
Let's practice empathy when dealing with colleagues.
Let's practice empathy when dealing with colleagues. शाबाश. पेशेवराना इमेज बरकरार रखने के लिए मुनासिब लिबास पहने.
Dress appropriately to maintain a professional image.
Shabash. Dress appropriately means suitably to maintain a professional image. Now something about professional management. इस मंसूबे को अमल दरामद के लिए एक वाज़े नक्शा दरकार है.
This project requires a clear roadmap for execution.
This project requires a clear roadmap for execution. कितना शानदार सेंटेंस है. शाबाश. आइए इस सेमाही के लिए काबिल हुसूल अहदाफ मुकर्रर करें.
Let's set achievable milestone for this quarter.
Let's set achievable milestones for this quarter. Very well done. The first आपका जो round है, it's complete. Big round of applause for everybody. हमें वसाइल को मुअस्सर तरीके से मुख्तस करने की ज़रूरत है.
We need to allocate resources efficiently.
We need to allocate resources efficiently. शाबाश. एक तफसीली टाइमलाइन हमें पेशरफ्त को ट्रैक करने में मदद देगी.
A detailed timeline will help us track progress.
शाबाश. A detailed timeline will help us track progress. आइए हर मरहले पर मायार के कंट्रोल को यकीनी बनाएं.
Let's ensure quality at every stage.
Let's ensure quality control at every stage. Come inside, please. Go there. हमें दुरुस्त समत में रहने के लिए बाकायदगी से जायजे करने चाहिए.
We should conduct regular reviews to stay on track.
We should conduct regular reviews to stay on track. शाबाश. बराह करम तमाम अहम फैसलों को मुस्तक़बिल के हवाले के लिए दस्तावेज करें.
Please document all key decisions for future reference.
हाँ, please document all key decisions for future reference. खतरे की तशखीस कामयाब मंसूबे की तकमील के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Risk assessment is crucial for
Risk assessment is crucial for
successful project delivery.
Successful project delivery. शाबाश. हम बेहतर हम आहंगी के लिए प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट टूल्स का इस्तेमाल करें।
Let's utilize project management tool for better coordinations.
मुअस्सर तफवीज़ कामों को बरवक्त तकमील को यकीनी बनाती है।
Effective delegation ensures timely completion
Effective delegation ensures
of tasks.
timely completion of tasks. The next chapter is about customer service. मैं आज आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ?
How can I assist you today?
How can I help you today or assist you today? आपकी इत्मीनान हमारी अव्वलीन तरजीह है।
Your satisfaction is our top priority.
शाबाश। आइए आपके खदशात को फौरी तौर पर हल करें।
Let's address your concerns promptly.
Let's address your concerns promptly. बराह कर्म हमारी खिदमात पर राय दें।
Please give feedback on our services.
Give feedback on our services. शाबाश। हम बेहतरीन सर्विस फराहम करने के लिए पुरज़्म हैं।
We are committed to delivering exceptional services.
No, exceptional services. We are committed to delivering exceptional services. मैं होने वाली किसी भी तकलीफ पर माज़रत खा हूँ।
I apologize for any inconvenience caused.
शाबाश। I apologize for any inconvenience caused. इस पर तवज्जो दिलाने के लिए शुक्रिया।
Thank you for bringing this our attention.
Thank you for bringing this to our attention. आइए इस मामले को हल करने के लिए मिलकर काम करें।
Let's work together to resolve this matter.
Let's work together to resolve this matter. हम आपकी किसी कंपनी के साथ हम आपकी हमारी कंपनी के साथ वाबस्तगी पर कदर करते हैं।
We value your loyalty to our company.
We value your loyalty to our company. Loyalty. आपकी राय हमें मुसलसल बेहतरी में मदद देती है।
Your feedback help us improve continuously.
Your feedback helps us improve continuously. Shabash. The next one is about negotiations and networking. आइए ताउन के मौके तलाश करें।
Let's explore opportunities for collaboration.
Let's explore opportunities for collaboration. क्या हम इस मामले पर दरमियानी राह निकाल सकते हैं?
Can we find a middle ground on this matter?
Can we find a middle ground for this matter? मजबूत पेशेवराना ताल्लुकात कायम करना बहुत जरूरी है।
Building strong professional relationships is vital.
शाबाश। मैं बाहमी फायदामंद शराइत पर बात करने के लिए तैयार हूँ।
I am open to discussing mutually beneficial terms.
शाबाश। आइए ऐसी सूरत-ए-हाल पैदा करने पर तवज्जो दें जिसमें दोनों फरीक जीतें।
Let's creating a win-win situation.
Let's focus on creating
a win-win situation.
Let's focus on creating a win-win situation. शाबाश। नेटवर्किंग हमारे पेशेवराना उफ़ को वसी करने में मदद देती है।
Networking helps expand our professional horizon.
Now, networking helps expand our professional horizon. एक तफसीली तजवीज़ हमारी बातचीत को मजबूत करेगी।
A detailed proposal will strengthen our
negotiation. A detailed proposal will strengthen our negotiation. शाबाश। आइए अपने तमाम मामलात में शफाफियत को यकीनी बनाएं।
Let's ensure transparency in all our dealings.
शाबाश। तवील मुद्दती शराकत दारी को बरकरार रखना हमारा मकसद है।
Maintaining long-term partnership is our goal.
शाबाश। हमारी तजवीज़ पर गौर करने के लिए शुक्रिया।
Thank you for considering our proposal.
शाबाश। प्रपोज द बिजनेस प्रपोजल की बात हो रही है, शादी वाली की नहीं। ओहो। लीडरशिप एंड मोटिवेशन। आइए टीम को मुतासिर करने के लिए मिसाल बनकर क़यादत करें।
Let's lead by example to inspire the team.
कितना अच्छा, लीड बाय एग्जाम्पल। शाबाश। मुस्बत तक़वियत बेहतर कारकर्दगी की हौसला अफजाई करती है।
Positive reinforcement encourages better performance.
Positive reinforcement encourages better performance. कामयाबियों को तस्लीम करना टीम के हौसले को बुलंद करता है। जी।
Recognizing achievements boosts team morale.
Recognizing achievements boosts team morale. आइए अपनी टीम को उनके कामों की जिम्मेदारी लेने के लिए हौसला अफजाई करें।
Let's empower our team to take ownership of their tasks.
Let's empower our team to take ownership of their tasks. मुअस्सर रहनुमा अपने विजन को वाज़े करने पर बयान करते हैं।
Effective leaders communications their visions clearly.
Effective leaders communicate their visions clearly. आइए जिद्दत और तख्लीकी सलाहियतों की सकाफत को फरोग दें।
Let's cultivate a culture of innovation and creativity.
शाबाश। एक मुतहर्रिक टीम किसी भी चैलेंज पर काबू पा सकती है।
A motivated team can overcome any challenge.
Any challenge. A motivated team can overcome any challenge. तामीरी राय फराहम करना तरक्की को फरोग देता है।
Providing constructive feedback fosters growth.
Providing constructive feedback fosters growth. आइए रफ्तार को बरकरार रखने के लिए छोटी कामयाबियों का जश्न मनाएं।
Let's celebrate small victories to keep the momentum going.
Let's celebrate small victories to keep the momentum going. क़यादत दूसरों को अज़मत हासिल करने के लिए मुतासिर करने के बारे में है।
Leadership is about inspiring others to achieve greatness.
Leadership is about inspiring others to achieve greatness. Thank you, everybody. Fantastic, all the guys and girls, for providing such a phenomenal translation of sentences given to you. I gave you the Urdu sentences. You too translated those sentences, the professional sentences, immediately, or rather promptly. It was your goodwill gesture to my asking the translations, and your ability most of the times help you actually to translate the sentences. Thank you very much for this translation, for these business and professional sentences that you spoke here in the class today. I hope this video is going to be very useful for everybody, for the students who have attended the class, for the students who are online watching and viewing our videos. It's also going to be very helpful for them because they are going to learn 50 sentences related to the business world. All right. Wish you all the very best of luck. See you tomorrow with another exercise. We're going to have the presentations this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then so on and so forth. The next week, we'll have the conversational practice. Actually, we have variety of things here in the class. This week, for example, we'll go through the presentations Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, next week, the coming week, I mean to say, you will have the conversational practice of all those topics which you haven't practiced so far. So God bless you all. Thank you. Stay blessed.